Hook, have you ever wondered why some cryptocurrencies are pegged to the US dollar? Or maybe you've heard of Gemini dollar and wondered what it's all about. Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini dollar and answering the burning question, how much is Gemini dollar in USD? Context: the crypto market can be a wild roller coaster, with prices fluctuating wildly. This can make it difficult for investors who want a more stable investment. That's where stablecoins come in. These cryptocurrencies are pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar, which means their value remains relatively constant. What is Gemini dollar? Gemini dollar, or GUSD, is a stablecoin issued by the Gemini Trust Company. It's backed by US dollars, meaning for every GUSD in circulation, there's an equivalent amount of US dollars held in reserve. This ensures that GUSD maintains its 1:1 parity with the US dollar. Why use Gemini dollar? There are several reasons why people might choose to use Gemini dollar. Stability: as a stablecoin, GUSD offers a more predictable investment compared to other cryptocurrencies. Accessibility: GUSD is available on many popular cryptocurrency exchanges, making it easy to buy and sell. Security: the Gemini Trust Company is a regulated financial institution, which adds a layer of security and trust. Utility: GUSD can be used for various purposes, including buying other cryptocurrencies, making payments, and even earning interest. How much is Gemini dollar in USD? So, to answer the question, how much is Gemini dollar in USD? Ideally, Gemini dollar should always be worth exactly $1 USD. This is because it's pegged to the US dollar. However, due to market fluctuations and technical issues, the price might occasionally deviate slightly from $1. Factors affecting Gemini dollar's value. While Gemini dollar is designed to be a stablecoin, there are a few factors that can influence its value. Market demand: if there's a high demand for GUSD, its price could temporarily rise above $1. Technical issues: if there are technical problems with the Gemini platform, it could impact the price of GUSD. Regulatory changes: changes in regulations can affect the stability of stablecoins, including Gemini dollar. How to convert Gemini dollar to USD. If you want to convert your GUSD back to USD, you can do so on most cryptocurrency exchanges. Simply sell your GUSD and withdraw the proceeds in USD. Conclusion: Gemini dollar is a stablecoin that offers a more predictable investment compared to other cryptocurrencies. It's backed by US dollars and is designed to maintain a 1:1 parity with the USD. While its value might occasionally fluctuate slightly, it's generally a reliable and stable asset. Call to action: if you're interested in learning more about Gemini dollar or other stablecoins, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Closing statement: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.